Oh, beloved Captain dear, it's been so long since you've been here. We've waited up for many years for the moment when you'd reappear. And now that you've stumbled back in, come into the arms of your loving friend. We loved you once and we'll love you again. The crew is loyal until the end. And now that you're here, we can finally continue with the plans we've been planning, with our singing of tunes, our blunders and pillaging, our thefting and pranking, our daytime getting into. What delightful news! We're free of the blues! Welcome back, our chat. We're so glad to have you. After all, what's a crew without their captain? Our captain, our captain, our captain, our captain. That's who you are to us. We'll swarm you, adorn you, adore you. How giddy, we'll make you feel powerful, needed and pretty. That's who you are to us. Cue the lights, set the stage for our captain, bold and brave, so endearing and so charming and just a bit depraved. And today we celebrate, for she is here to stay. The myth, the legend, our Captain Earthquake. That's who you are to us. That's who you are to us. We'll swarm you, adorn you, adore you. How giddy, we'll make you feel powerful, needed and pretty. That's who you are to us. That's who you are to us. That's who you are to us. Oh my love, oh my
fearless captain with inspired might, may she lead us. No matter the storm, the foe, the need, it is in she that we trust.
Those monsters wrecked and tattered bones, all home is lost. I was never shown the fatal cost of being lone. Survivor's dust, so far from growing. Will I must revive again? Some will to live, or else I'm spent. If all be ruined, then am I next? Why was I saved from this bitter end? Erased, no trace of them. The ones I lost, those I called friends, replaced by this brick-stone fortress of ugly human. And the monsters who came sweeping through dropped globs of flame, explosive goo. The smog was all I ever knew of my family's final deadly tune. A castle, please, how long have I been out? How many years did I spend in doubt while these bastards were here, building a mound of greed and repression by the island's mouth? I fear I finally figured out that I'm the last one left to shout of witches who were here and how they loved and lived and were smothered out. Now, with a band of brute children, I sharpen my claws and I lift up my chin. If I'm what remains, then I'll sink my teeth in and deliver to these thieves the same flames my innocence died in. the plans we've been planning, with our singing of dooms, our plunders and pillaging, our thefting and breaking, our daytime getting intos. Welcome back, our child. We're so glad to have you. We're so glad to have you. We're so